Hey everyone, this is Michelle again. I'm the co-founder of the Human Wi-Fi, and I'm continuing my series again. I'm on day 5 of my 7-day series about how to meditate daily. And today the focus is on preparing your meditation space. So we have been preparing for a while now, but this one I'm kind of going into a little deeper of the location. So last time I was online, we talked about having 3 different locations for your meditation practice at home. And the reason why you want to have 3 is in case you're living with someone, children, spouse, roommates, and they happen to be, moving around the house and, different areas of your house. And if you have a favorite location, maybe sometimes they're there. So you want to have a backup space where you can also go to. But in regards to location, it's also really important to have a favorite spot. So a place where you can go where you feel really good and like you want to be. So for example, if your room is kind of the area of your house where you feel the best, because when you enter your room you just feel like relaxed and your body is ready to kind of like shift into like sleeping, thinking about relaxing and sleeping. That's a good space also for meditation. On the other hand, if you have places in your home where you go to, let's say your office or let's say the kitchen table or something, and every time you go there you get like tense and just don't feel good, and it just stresses you out to be in that area, that's not a good place to meditate, right? So you want to pick one really favorite spot, and maybe 3 if you can, and then you want to create that space to be a place where you look forward to going to, a place that's comfortable, a place that feels peaceful, a place you can make your own. So I like to use the word sacred, make a sacred space. In my bedroom, I have a special spot where I meditate, and I have special things on a table where when I go to look at them, it makes me feel good. So there are a lot of things you can do to make yourself feel good, right? You want to have like a comfortable chair or a pillow that you're going to sit on, maybe some favorite photographs that make you really happy of people in your life, your kids, your family, lost loved ones that have passed away. You can also on your table put things that inspire you, special trinkets or gifts that someone's given you. A lot of people like to do crystals, and I love doing crystals, and maybe little angels. I love doing angels. And I also recommend having like a vision board in your sacred space. So I'm big in vision boarding, and if you've never heard of vision boarding, it is really great to not only help you manifest and attract things that you want in your life, like a special vacation you want to go on, or a career or dream job, or maybe like you really love dancing or music, and you just seeing photos of that really brings your energy up. So a vision board is great for manifesting, but it's also great to have to look at and to just feel good and to remember like your goals in your life, or what you value and what you appreciate and what makes you happy. And so meditating should also, with thinking about meditating, should make you happy. And if you are having a bad day, going to that special spot where your vision board is, that's going to help you feel better, and that's going to make your meditation practice more enjoyable, right? The second thing that I want to talk about your meditation location is you definitely want to clear the space. So when I mean clear, I'm talking about energy. We actually started our business by blessing homes, clearing and blessing homes. And if your house is a place where you feel when you walk into your house, or you walk into your bedroom or a special room, and you feel more anxious and stressed, than you did when you were outside of your house, then there is some energy there that probably needs to be cleared out. So you want your home to be a sacred space, the whole house, and then you want to create even a more special sacred space for meditation. So for both of these things that I'm talking about, vision boarding as well as clearing your home and blessing your space, is on our website. We have videos that we have created that have special PDF printouts that you can use with specific directions on how to do this. And I definitely highly recommend it. I've been vision boarding since I was a child, and I didn't even know it was called vision boarding. And we've been blessing homes and spaces for the last 7 years. So we have some really great information. And when I'm talking about blessing your house, there are certain tools that really work well. So you may have heard of white sage, you may have heard of blessed kosher salt, crystals, incense, things like that. Those are the things that we talk about specifically, and we talk about exactly how to use those things in your home and in your sacred areas. So, for example, candles are also a really great way to move energy and to help the energy feel good in your space. So I always light a candle before I meditate. And sometimes I just leave it on while I'm working after I meditate. I also love incense. Incense really helps me to get my mind ready for whatever intention I'm trying to put out. So incense and candles are wonderful. Also aromatherapy. I mean, there's so many things you could do. So we have all that information as well. That's a whole other video. But I do want to emphasize that when you do find your sacred spaces in your house to do your meditation, to make it yours, make it a special place that you want to be, and make it also feel good. So not only does it look good and there's fun things to look at and special trinkets or special things surrounding you, something comfortability that's all over, and not only is it that, but also the energy needs to feel good. So if you close your eyes, you're not going to see all those wonderful things anyway. So when you're in meditating mode, you want to feel good. The energy needs to feel really good. So that's my tip for today, and I also recommend, don't forget to print out the guide that goes with this series, and it's on our website. Just go straight to the website, it'll pop up, and you can put in your email, and we'll send you the guide, and you can have all this information for yourself. And I think that's it. So I will see you at the next series. Please comment below if you have any questions about any of this. Also, if you have already created a vision board, you're already blessing your house, let me know what you do. If you want to share any of your techniques and ways that you're preparing to meditate every day, please do that as well. We'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. Or see you next time. Bye.